Hey, if you want to know how to swing stocks and spend less than 10 minutes a day to profit from the market, you've come to the right place. I'm Agnes, the assistant coach of Gann Explain. This is one of the questions I get asked the most. Agnes, there are thousands of stocks to choose from. How to pick the top 5 or 10 good stocks to buy? Here's what Khit said. Filter down to 50 stocks instead. 50, not 5? Do you want to know the reasons why? The reasons may not be what you think. Let's get down to the bottom of it in this video. In the video, we're going to talk over 3 things. 1, the biggest lie in picking the top 5 stocks. Then I show you the step-by-step how to create a profitable stock list using free resources and free tools on internet. Last, I show you a best stock screener to trade like a big shot indicator that you only need to spend 10 minutes a day to screen through the stock list that you have, find some good opportunities to enter the market. Before I get on the video, disclaimer. This video is for information only, not financial advice. Khit Wong and I are not financial advisors. There are risks in trading stocks, indexes, commodities, cryptocurrencies. There are other factors like financial goals, risk tolerance that you need to take into consideration when it comes to investing. So this video only serves as education purpose. The number 1 biggest lie, 5 winning stocks. Why is it the biggest lie? There can be some great growth stocks, but they are overvalued now. They're hitting their all-time high, so you're not sure whether they're approaching the end of the cycle. So are you going to wait for a pullback and get back to the market? You just don't focus on 5 stocks. You cast a wider net and don't focus on hype stocks. Strategy number 1, choose the right theme. In 2020, you might have easily doubled your investment account if you choose the right theme. For example, work from home theme, you invest in stocks like Zoom or Netflix or e-commerce like Amazon. You've got the idea. Has things changed in 2021? There are mass vaccination programs taking place around the world that is transitioning us into the new normal. So what are the themes in 2021? Theme idea 1, build, build, and build. I'm referring to the Biden's Build Back Better plan. It is a projected $7 trillion infrastructure and economic package. It includes investment in infrastructure and projected to create 10 million clean energy jobs. So let me ask you this. What sectors would you think will benefit from this package? Building is obvious, right? Industrial stocks. Apart from industrial sectors, what other sector can benefit from 10 million clean energy jobs? Green economy, right? The first thing came to my mind is electric cars or electric vehicles. Tesla is overvalued now. Could one of these EV stocks be the next Tesla? Theme idea 3. Just now we talked about mass vaccination program, and many governments around the world are discussing the possibilities of travel bubble, vaccine passport for international travel. So which sectors are going to benefit from this? Airline, tourism, and hospitality industries, right? So you can start paying attention to these stocks. You may be wondering, Agnes, you mentioned different sectors just now. So what are the kind of stocks that we can start research on? That's our strategy 2. Look for insights from the experts. You've probably heard of ARK Invest Funds or Cathie Wood. Cathie is a tech stock picking rock stars, and she's being named the next Warren Buffett. Cathie Wood has failed to repeat her stellar 2020 performance with ARK Invest Funds in the first quarter of 2021. Yet, the celebrity funds managers do manage to attract steady pile of cash into her red-hot funds. So do you think her stock picks can give you some insights? Here's the good news. If you want to know what are the funds that they buy, sell, and hold, you simply go to the website and sign up for free trade notifications. Then you will receive emails from ARK Invest from time to time when they buy or sell their funds. Let me emphasize this. I'm not asking you to buy or sell or follow any instructions of those. I'm just telling you that can give you some good insights into what are the kinds of stocks that you can start researching on. Okay? Besides ARK, you can get inspirations from SPDR. For those of you who do not live in the United States, you may not be familiar with SPDR. It is an ETF based off S&P 500 and have a stellar performance for the past 10 years. Two things I look at from the sector SPDR website: sectors and the stock portfolio. Let's say you want to come up with a stock list from the industrial sector. What you can do is go to the sector website, look for XLI, which is industrial sector, and you can pull up a list of stocks from that and add some into your top stock list. Change the world. Choose companies that can change the world. This is especially important when you are looking for companies to invest in mid to longer terms. And you want to bet your money in companies that are shaping the world now and in the future. And you may ask, Agnes, so where to start? Look for companies that are changing your world right now. And if you want to look for even more ideas, you can do a quick brainstorming with your friends or your family on the companies that are changing the world right now. And then pull together all those ideas, do some desktop research, or you can Google for white papers on big ideas that change the world. And I've included one for you, which is ARK Invest White Paper Big Ideas Report 2020. You can download it from their website. There is like sectors and companies that they include on this Big Ideas report. Then you can do some research. There are companies on digital wallets, biotech, Bitcoin, EVs, and streaming media, etc., etc. I'm sure you should be able to come up with a list of 50 good stocks now. Do you still think you need to chase the hype up stocks? Comments below and let me know. This is the best part. Now that you have a list of 50 good stocks, are you ready to spend less than 10 minutes a day to screen for some good stocks to enter the market and make some good profits? Introducing our best stock screener, Trade Like a Big Shot indicator. With this indicator, you get to know the best price that the best shots are betting on the market right now. Yes, you turn yourself into a trading sleuth. First off, you guys really need to understand how institutional traders execute their business. Retail traders complete a single transaction with 1 to 2 contracts, which ultimately get absorbed in the market in 1 to 2 seconds. Institutional traders, on the other hand, are making large trades for banks, insurance companies, and hedge funds. These traders are required to view 100 million contracts or 100 to 200 commodities contract at the best average price. Yes, best average price is the key. Here's the thing, because institutional trading requires multiple trades over multiple days to get to this average price, it leaves a path for us to follow. We become a trading sleuth. You may ask, Agnes, we are WD Gann Trader. Why should we pay attention to volume? You know what? Mr. Gann mentioned several times on his books. And here's the quote. Remember that at the end of any movement, either monthly, weekly, or daily move, some time must be consumed for accumulation or distribution. So you must allow this. Before I get into how to spend just 10 minutes a day, scan the stock list, pick a few good entries, put the trades in, and profit from the market, I want to remind you to subscribe to our channel. I'm putting out videos on strategies and tips on how to make profits in the market. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe to our channel to get more videos. With our Trade Like a Big Shot volume indicator, you just need to spend 10 minutes a day, screen through the list, and find some good stocks to enter, exit the market, and you can even find the end of the cycle. So this is the Moderna stock, and we used this indicator back in 2020. So when you see an uptrend, and the bottom of the candle touches the lower channel during an uptrend at point A and B, this is a buy signal. It's simple, right? So the next example is Goldman Sachs. Here at this point, where the bottom part of the candle touches the lower channel in an uptrend, and yes, that is a buy point here. And the part that I circle here is the exit point. So you find the buy and the exit. Then you take profit. Next example is Tesla. This is a sell signal. When you see the market is trending down, and when the top part of the candle touches the upper channel, that is a sell signal. In this example is Amazon. AB is the two sell points when the market is trending down and the top part of the candle is touching the upper channel. That's a sell signal. And the part I circle in red here is where the market players are exiting the market. So that's probably a very good point for you to exit the market as well. And what's more, the screener can be used for other financial assets, like currencies, like commodities, like cryptocurrencies. And here are some examples. This is a euro example. Exactly the same when you see an uptrend, when the bottom of the candles touches the lower channel, there is a buy point. This is a gold example. In the downtrend, when the top part of the candle touches the upper channel, that is a sell signal. Khit always emphasizes this. Don't use only one signal to enter or exit the market. They can be 4 signals, and you need caution. So here's what you can do. Combine the volume indicator with our RRL2, the Trading Genius formula, which helps you to spot repeating energy. Here's what an RRL can do. Find enter, exit, dark energy, so you find a mystical support and resistance, time turn, and calculate reward-risk ratio. If you refer back to Gann's law of vibration, the market is guided by natural law and mathematics. How to find the turning point. Say the price is $365, it might take 365 days or 365 hours for the market to turn. This is exactly how our implicit rule of trend works in Trading Genius formula. Let me show you how. So step 1, you use our trade like a big short volume indicator to find the buy and sell signals, which is marked in the blue arrows here. Step 2, our best RRL2. Watch this red line. This blue arrow is the entry signal from the volume indicator. So you want to find a repeating energy in this section so you can enter the market and ride on the trend. This RRL2 is inspired by W.D. Gann's law of vibration. Identify the natural laws and math that guides the rhythm of the market movement and screen out the 4 signals or noise in the market, so you can find the repeating energy and enter in the temporary pullback. These are snapshots of the live calls that Khit has made using W.D. Gann's trading methodologies in Wave 59, AvidStreet.com, TradingView, and Gann Explained since 2003. Here's why so many traders are raving about us, because we produce real results. There are real traders just like you from all parts of the world. You are just a few clicks away to be able to spend less than 10 minutes a day to profit from the market. Click the link below and get the Trade Like a Big Shot volume indicator.